Good morning, everyone. We discussed last class multiple things. How do we get documents in real time? What type of documents we get? And how do you work on? I clearly explain. Majorly, business specification document, what it contains, how it looks like. Functional specification document, what it contains, how it looks like. And how do we prepare a technical design document? Clearly explain. And also, technical design level, what are the elements participated? What we need to note, or what we need to include or exclude. That part also I covered. And we decided to go for a small case study where yearly report to monthly report we will travel. Monthly report travel based on year selection in the yearly report. And this concept is called as cross report drill through. And also explain yearly report in mobile view with a row level security. Monthly report, web view, no row level security. We will implement this. First, technically, what you can include, what you can exclude in the report, we need to identify. And especially we need to identify sources, credentials, security tokens, transformations required, and modeling relationships required, and modeling calculations required, calculated columns required, calculate tables required. This all we will identify. And also we identify visuals, reporting concepts. So this is what I typed in our session yesterday. And also I explained to create a yearly report, what all required based on your business specification, functional specification. To prepare a yearly report, what all required? Sources, credentials, security token. This is our file. It is in the local system, no separate credentials. And these are the transformations required. Transformations are not calculations. And these are the transformations required. Year and month combining or concatenation. Next, modeling relationships required. These are the tables majorly we need to connect because we are going to use it. Modeling calculations required. If it is written in single value, we call it as a calculated measure. These are the measures we need to create. Total discount fee, average discount fee, total number of students, cumulative total. And columns required. But our situation does not require any calculated columns. Tables. Our situation does not require any calculated tables. And coming to visuals, these are the visuals required. Page setting 16:9. Background light green. Image visual logo. Text box address. For address, text box. Slicer for year filtering. 3 cards, individual visuals. Table visual, year and cumulative total. Pie visual for composition comparing. And we need these reporting concepts. Image visual action required, URL action. Mobile view required. So go to view menu, mobile settings. Yearly report to monthly report you want to travel. That is a cross report drill through. And parent report level, we do 2 settings. Child report level, we do 3 settings. That is yearly report level 2 settings, monthly report level 3 settings. And data security. I told you there are two types of security. One is role-based security and row-level security. So you will assign a user or a group to a role. The user or group work according to the role responsibilities. And here we don't talk about data security, but data security is different, especially a row level we apply. So we call it as a row level security or RLS. Connected user data, connected location data, associated department data, that comes under row level security. And row level security, again, two types: simple row level security, dynamic row level security. What are these two types? I explained yesterday. So this was a document I typed in the last class. I'm not explaining the theory again because our objective is practical today. Let me explain the practical. Open the Power BI desktop. Directly you can start up from here, get data. Excel workbook, because our sheet is Excel workbook. Click connect. And where is our workbook? Hit batches, 7 a.m. Select it. Any batch. I need all these tables. These are all the dimension tables. What is dimension, how it looks like, what it contains, I clearly explain. And this is a fact table, the central table, minute to minute table, the bridge table. Click load. So I selected some dimensions and facts. And these are all in import mode because structure available here, even data available. And your first job after importing data in the import mode, go to data view. This is data view. Ensure each and every column data is perfect. No one will tell you, verify the data is correct. Your data indicate column headings and column by column data. Course ID, course name, duration, perfectly all right. Course mode. Here column headings are not proper. Dim date. Looks good. Geography. Again, column headings are not proper. This is supposed to be the first row. You can say this first row is supposed to be the column heading. First row is supposed to be column heading, but not correct. Institute. This column we don't require. Unnecessarily available. Location. Yes, this first row supposed to be the column heading. Student. Looks good. Users. Looks good. Fact table. These are the tables. Now go to transformation area. So this is the second step. Even technical design level, the same thing I mentioned. First step, you need to bring the data successful. Second step, year and month combining and concatenation required. according to the business and functional requirement. We wrote like this in the technical specification, so we need to implement. So go to transform data. First one, the column headings issue. Second one, the required transformation we'll implement. So this is Power Query area, you all aware of. I'm not explaining again. Now click on this. Course table looks good. Mode table, not looking good. You can close this for the time being. Click on this corner. Use first row as header, because this is the first row where we have column headings. It should be the headers. First row where we are having column headings, it should be the header. So click on this. Use first row as headers. Next, geography. This one supposed to be the column headings. Date, institute. I don't require this column. Right click, delete. Now go to location table and click on this and use first row as headers. And student table looks good. Users table. Okay, this is fact table. So column headings, I made it correct, and one column removed, which is not required, but only one thing, year and month concatenation required. Go to date table. And here year available, month name available. I want to combine. The best practice is take these two columns again and then combine. If you do directly these two combining, these two will be replaced with concatenated value. So it's a good practice. Create a copy of it, and then combine. Or else you can write a formula and then add custom column. But if you don't want to write the formula and you want to do graphically, then how do you do? Just go to this year, duplicate column. Again month, right click, duplicate column. Year column, right click, duplicate. Month column, right click, duplicate. Two copies are ready. So highlight both, right click, merge columns. This is without writing formula. Just merge. Asking me the separator. I want to take a custom separator underscore, and I will take here year underscore month. Click OK. Yes. What all the transformations required I successfully completed. Now it's the time to save and close. Go to this, save and close. Apply indicates save. Close is closing the window, closing the Power Query process. So you're coming back to Power View or Report View. Ensure data. Go to this. This is course table, course mode table, date table, geography table, institute table, location table, student table, users table, fact table, all looking good. Now, what is the next part? After your successful operations, you need to go to modeling, date table, fact table, user table. Just go to this. This is modeling area. This is modeling area. Ensure the relationships. See, already tables are connected, auto connected. So we can validate this later in our other classes, but important tables what we thought to use, those should be connected. One is date. Second, user table. See, user table not connected. And you may go for location also not connected. Which table these all should be connected? Fact table. This is a central table, minute to minute table, bridge table. So connect date to date. As you know, in the date table, it's a key. Relationship is one. The fact table level, we have a foreign key. Relationship is many, one to many. We already discussed. No need to worry. So date to date, I drag and drop. Similarly, here location ID to location ID. Ensure once again, both are connected perfectly. So here user ID to user ID. User table, user ID. So these all dimensions should be connected to fact table and successfully connected. You want to explore bigger and see that. So date table is connected. Fact table is location is connected. User table also connected. These three. Date. Date is connected. Location is connected, but here as a minimize, you are not able to see. This is user table. User ID connected. Location table, location ID connected. So modeling successfully completed. That is relationship modeling. But calculations required in the modeling. So these are the calculations required. Total discount fee, average discount fee, total number of students, cumulative total. How to find this, I already explained you. Now I'm creating it directly. It's a good practice. Take a separate table. So this one I clicked it. I'm taking the column heading like employee ID. One normal column. I'll take key measures, important business measures. Successfully completed. Now add one by one column. Click on it. New measure. Total discount fee equal to sum of fact table discount fee. Click save. Click on it. One more. New measure. Because single value they return. Average discount fee equal to average column name. Sum of fact table discount fee. Why sum? It's wrong, right? Average of discount fee. Average of discount fee. Table name compulsory. It's a convention. Table name followed by column name. And don't worry, more detailed DAX we are having. I'm going to explain 10-hour session. There I will explain why we need to take table like this, column like this, what exactly these braces indicate, and these rounded braces indicate everything. For the time being, this is a case study. You just follow it. Key measures. One more measure, count of students. Count students equal to count of Again, column name, fact table, take here, student ID. Three major calculations required. I successfully completed. What is the next measure required? After this, cumulative total. If you know the formula, how to write it, write it. But writing cumulative formula, little difficult, little more understanding required. It's too early to discuss. So we go for existing measure uses of Microsoft. I told you there are two types of measures. One, which we write. Second, which we select from the existing measures. Now I want to select the predefined measures of Microsoft. Microsoft observed all the organizations and given some measures built in. Those measures are quick measures. So just click on it. So here you will find all the quick measures. Select the proper measure. I want to take running total. This is a cumulative total. Select the formula. So formula is ready. No need to write any formula. Select the base value. The base value is discount fee. But on which column you want? Date column. Take date here. So in the date table, date, cumulative discount fee sum. Successfully completed. Now you'll find the formula here. So this is the formula system wrote. Want to see the name of it? So this is the name. And this is the formula. But you want to remove this name because it's looking very bigger. Cumulative total. Sufficient. Click save. This is one way renaming the measure, or right click here and rename. Just right click and rename. Anyway, you can rename. I made it short. So right now, count, average, total available, and cumulative total available. One more. Whenever a user connect, you want to show his name. Then click on key measures, new measure. It is not a measure, but I'm taking just for knowledge perspective. Usually this kind of functions and the result we keep in a separate table. But this is a simple case study, so I'm not taking separate table. I'm placing everything in a single table. User connected. You can take username function or user principal name function, these two, either the second one or fourth one. I will take username function. It will give you domain name, username at Windows desktop, email address at cloud level. Yesterday I explained you about username and user principal name and their differences. So both will give you domain name, username at Windows desktop. That is powered by desktop. Cloud level, they will give you email address. But it is good practice to take this for desktop level of user validation. Cloud level validation you want to do, then you take user principal name. This is for cloud level validation. Both results same, but one at desktop, one at cloud level. I take user principal name, click save. Measure is saved. As it is giving single value, it is a measure. Ready. And I want to cancel employee ID. I don't want. So click on employee ID. Delete employee ID. To create a table, at least one column required, I created it. But I'm not using that column and not required for me. So I deleted. Now look at this, how it looks like. See, system taking all the measures on top. I did not arrange. It is looking like a measure group, all the measures on top. Looking like a measure group, all the measures on top. Fine. What is the next operation? So we completed these calculations. Calculate columns not required. Calculate tables also not required. Then what is required? Visuals. We need to start visuals practice. Just go to this. And the first visual setting, page setting 16 by 9 and light green. I will do that. Go to this. This is a page. You can go to page formation, page information, right here, home page or yearly report page. Yearly report. Automated title will change here. When you change here, the title will change here. Second, I want size 16:9, 16 inches by 9 inches. 16 inches by 9 inches. As he already mentioned, and the default setting also 69, no need to worry. Otherwise, we need to take in the custom level or specified one. Close it. Canvas background. They clearly mention light green. Go to color, more color. Take here, light green. Yes, light green, but still it's not showing. Do you know why? Transparency. Take here transparency. 0, 0 indicate light green. Hoping you understood how to prepare it. And what next they require? Image visual logo. Text box visual address. Yes, go to this. Insert menu. So here also visuals available. Insert menu level. This is the basic visuals area, but here also you will find it. And here you will find artificial intelligence visuals, platform individuals, third platform, and some elements. These elements you will not find here. Compulsory, you should go here. Element level image, shape, text box, button actions available. And I want image, so I'm going to insert menu image. I want text box, insert menu text box. Click image. I will take our institute image, which you will find in the lab backup folder. This is a visual institute image. Now it is having some properties, format properties. This image. First one, image general settings. This is general setting. This is image specific setting. Image specific and general. General indicate it is common to all visuals. You will learn more about general in our visuals topic. Here just go to image specific topic. Style. This image. I go to fit. It's fit. I place here. And one more we have actually. I took image. I took the size. But there is an expectation from the customer. We already wrote image visual action required, URL action. So when people click on the image, it should open our URL. So go to this, action turn on, click on it. Here you mention web URL. Come down, mention the URL, our institute URL I'm placing here. http www.vinaytechhouse.com. First action turn on, type as web URL and then take web URL here. You want to check? Very simple, just go here, control enter. Single click or double click, do not work. Simply click and double click, do not work. We need to go to control enter because this is an application. Web level only, single click or double click, or mobile level only, single click or double click. Not here. So control enter. Even system guiding, control plus click. Control enter. It's opening the URL. Our institute URL. So perfectly the image and image action completed. Text box required. Take text box. This is a text box. It opens like this. Take font and all, but follow customer guidelines. Here I take some easy, understandable, viewable font and format. Flat number, fine art 6B, Nilgiri block, Maitrivanam, Amirpet, 5,16,000. This is the address. I'm minimizing this box. I'll navigate to top. Hoping you're clear. Okay. You want to take borders for both? Yes, just go to this image, general, FX. Here you are having visual border on. You want to go to this, just click on it, visual border on, general FX visual border on. Ready. What is the next one customer expecting? These two completed. A slicer required for ear filtering. Yes. I will go to a slicer. This is for ear filtering. This is slicer, I clicked it. You want ear filtering, date table, take ear here. Click on this format. Whatever the way you want to show to customers for selection, you decide and place here. So format, slicer setting, options. First option, vertical list. It looks like this. Customer will select customer will select one or multiple values. Second one, it will show in the button format, tile. Third one, drop down format. This is drop down, customer will select. So which format you want, you select it. I just go to vertical list format. Because the less years available, I go to this. I minimized it, vertical list. Go to slicer header. This is called header. Take font and all, I take bold. Here the size is 20 size I'm taking. Color, this pink color, most attractive. Now values, these are called values. Values also bold, and I will take 18, little less, and I'll go to blue color. For better visibility, I'm going for it. As usual, go to general, FX, take here visual border on. So your ear slicer taken. What next? 3 cards, individual values. So first card you take, second card you take, third card you take. Go to this first card, and the first card you need to take total discount fee. Place here fields. Second card you want average discount fee, take fields. Third card you want count of students, take here and place field section. I want to format this. Just go here, click on format, call out value, So there are two values. This is call out value. This is category label. If you want to format them, just go to this. Call out value, I'm taking 30. Bold only, color blue color. Come down. Display units, I take none. The value none. Correct. But I want Indian rupee. For this, I want Indian rupee format and 1000 separated. Here you don't find. We need to go to this measure tools. This ribbon maximize. Select here format. I want a format, currency format. Measure tools, change the format. And you want Indian rupee, just click on this after currency. Take Indian format, even Nepal, India, same. The rupee symbol is same. See, this is the 1000 separator. And how many decimal values you want. Here you need to take, if it is a percentage value, percentage. Right now it's not a percentage value, I'm not taking. So call out value level, these settings, and measure tools level, these settings available. Completed call out value and measure setting. Category label, this label. I want 20. Again, I want a color, visible color, pink. Bold as well. You want border for it, general, FX, visual border on. And I will go to this second one. Average, but same format I want here. Then format painter, highlight this. This format you want here. This format you want here. This format painter and click on this. Same format, except this rupee symbol. We need to give. So go to average, measure tools, format is currency. Go to this. It's taking dollar by default, but Indian rupee required. I will select the first one. Now this is 667 normal font format. You can same you can copy. Go to this format painter, click on it. No rupee symbol, but the same color and font it will take. Formation it won't take, remaining it will take. Ready. If you select 17 students, 17 average, 17 total. 18 student, 18 average, 18 total, like this. You can slice it. Next one, table visual, year and cumulative total. So just go to table visual. So how we identify table and all, last class we discussed. So I'm not explaining now. This is only practical implementation based on the technical design, which we created yesterday. This is the table visual, columns required. Firstly, I require year column. So take not year and month, or year only, I believe. Year wise. This is sum of year taking. So go to this drop down symbol, don't summarize. Year wise, you want cumulative total, just drag and drop cumulative total here. You can go to focus mode to see. There's a blank here, knowingly taken. I'll explain in the further examples. In the 17 value, so 17 and 18 added, 18 value, 18 and 19 added, 19 value. But if you want to see betterly, take total discount fee also here. Year, value. Why this is showing in the rupees? Because you formatted. Why this is not showing? Not formatted. So, but just see the value. This is a value, 17 equal to these two adding. 18 equal to these two adding. 19 equal to these two adding. This is called cumulative total. So perfectly working. What to do next? Go back to report. Take better font and all. Go to this. Directly go to grid. Complete size. Options. Options level. Global font size I will take 20. Little bigger font size. I don't want to take column heading, footing and all. Just I will go for border. FX. Visual border on. Next, I need a pie chart. Just click a pie chart. Why pie chart? Because yesterday we decided for composition comparing a pie chart is required. And what are the columns? We know already. Legend level I will take the transformed one, year and month. Value level I will take total discount fee. So here year and month, here value, because year and month combination I want to analyze. If you place here cursor, it will show you blank year and blank month discount fee. If you click here 19 March discount January value and percentage. If you click here 19 March value this. 17 February value this. If you want to increase the font and all, you can increase, but I don't want to increase and all. I will go to this general effect visual border. As I require, I will take visual border. Now these two visuals will also change according to this. If you select 17, this all will show 17 data. Here also 17, here also 17 data only. If you click 19 here, if you select 19 data. So 19 and 18 data. If you select 17 and 18, both 17 and 18 data. So you want to clear the filter. So this is how we will create a visuals page. This is all completed. Now reporting concepts, what you identified. Image visual level, this is required. Yes, successfully completed. Now mobile view required. How do we take mobile view? Just go to view menu, mobile, which means mobile level, how people can see when they access the report. Click on it. Right now web view is available. I'm preparing a mobile view. I don't require these things in the mobile. This one I require, so I will take first this one in the mobile. User will select a visual, so a year. And then I want to show count of students first. Average value next. If it is not sufficient, take separate. Even this also adjusts properly. And you want total discount fee only. Remaining visuals you don't want in the mobile. You can ignore it. If you don't want other visuals, you can ignore. So these three visuals you will find in the mobile level. So mobile view I prepared. Mobile level, what are the visuals required also I said. You want to go back to web view, click web view. Mobile view successful. What is the next one? Yearly report to monthly report you want to plan, you want to go. So go to yearly report level, do the two settings. Click on it. First setting, file menu, options and settings. Options, the first setting for cross report drill through. Go to current file, only this file, not all the files. Only this file, report setting. And here there is an option called cross report drill through, allow it. So you're allowing visuals in this report to use drill through target from other reports. Perfect. Tick mark this option. And then, okay. Second option is the yearly report. Cross report, turn on. Yearly report page, cross report, turn on. So two options, file menu, options and settings. Go to current file, report settings, turn on cross report visual option. Second, go to page and the visuals pane, visualization pane, cross report drill through, turn on. 2. Last one required in the yearly report, data security. I want whoever connected in the cloud level, respect to data show, cloud level. Then very simple, go to modeling menu, manage roles, click create. Here you write user connected data or user connected data role. Create and mention the name. Then go to users table, add filter, email equal to cloud level only email ID validated, email equal to user principal name. Click save. Even username also you can take. You want to take username? You take username, no problem. It is simple. Click save. Security also applied. In case you want to create bookmarks, this is not mentioned here. You can create user interested areas. Those are called bookmarks. User screenshots, user snapshots, those are called bookmarks. Now go to this view menu, bookmarks. I will minimize this pane. I will minimize this pane bookmark. Which bookmark you want to give it to customer for quick impression of the page and quick impression of data filtering. I want to give a snapshot or a quick impression 18 data only. 18. So 18 data customer should see quickly. Then click add bookmark. Identify what all things you want to provide to customer when he browses the report. Right now, 3 years, no need of bookmarks, but when many years available, customer want to see some years quickly, then you need to create those snapshots. However, while reading a page, while reading a website, important pages snapshots we will take the same way. If a report having many pages and huge content, you can give some important pages as snapshots or bookmarks to customer. I'm giving everything. I just rename it. Right click, rename, bookmark 2018. Similarly, 19 also I want to give 19. Click add, click on it, rename, bookmark 2019. Success. Customer can see in two ways. He can click on view. So this is the first snapshot 18, next snapshot 19. He can see like this, or he can go for bookmark actions, the support actions that I will explain in the bookmark topic. So for the time being, a report with full data you provided and report snapshot also provided. Let me save it. File menu, save it. I will go to batches folder, 7 a.m. yearly report, mobile view, RLS. Just I'm giving this title PBX file, click save. Success. I want monthly report, but web view and no RLS. Even for monthly report, we create a technical design. I'm not opening now because we know the options. Same report, I will take a copy. File menu, save as. I'm saving as monthly report, web view, no row level security. Click save. Fine. That means we need to remove the row level security in the monthly report. We need to remove mobile view. Removal only. So just go to view menu. This is mobile view in the monthly report. This is monthly report. I will clear off. So I will clear all the picture visuals on the mobile. Yes, I remove. This is the option you need to click. Now it will show you remove. So no visuals in the mobile, which means it is having only web view. Go back. You want to remove RLS. Then go to modeling menu, click manage roles. This one delete it. Yes, delete. Click save. No row level security. Go to manage roles and delete the role. Now, what is the pending one? From yearly report to monthly report, when you come, you need to see here respect to year and month data. So you need to change this report account to month. Here you go to month only. Don't take year slicing. Take here visual level, month, date table month. This is month. Take month name better. Good. Only 3 months available in my data. 3 months. Now here, year and month wise data you mention. Go to this year, month name, data. Ready. To identify some months information, let me explain little more. Let me explain little more. Success. Fine. So this report I changed modifications account to month. Just months added. Now when people come from yearly report to monthly report, in the cross report level, 3 settings required. First setting, second setting already set, but we need to verify. File menu, options and settings, options. Because it is a copied report, those 2 settings will come automatically from yearly report. Current file, report settings, come down, cross report drill through already enabled. Close it. Go to this. The page name is yearly report. So take monthly report. Now go to monthly report. Come down. Cross report already on. Second option also ready. But it has to show respect to year data, which means this report require filter. You are coming to monthly report level, you need a filter. So go to filter here. I need year filter. So monthly report should show respect to year data of the yearly report. So year filter, you drag and drop year in this area. And then you select here categorized. Don't select summary, categorized. And no values are selected here. Got clarity? Fine. Once again, as you are coming to monthly report to show yearly data, so yearly filtering should be here. So yearly report level, if 17 is selected, it will show 17 data. This data 17. Yearly report level 18 you select, this data will be 18. Let me save it. File menu, save. What is the next operation? The cross report and all you cannot validate in the Power BI desktop level. So compulsory we need to go to cloud. Not only that, one more operation we have. Yearly report, monthly report travel, plus we have these also. Yearly report to monthly report travel. And then report data refresh in the cloud. Report share in the cloud. And data refresh, I said, make it scheduled at 5 a.m. And report share scheduled at 6 a.m. This I told you. So if you want to implement it, compulsory we need to go to cloud. So I'm going to cloud now. You all aware how do we go to cloud? Click on browser, any browser, type app.powerbi.com. Click enter. I will sign in with one of the account. You have 2 accounts. You can use any of the account for practice. Or you have your own account, you can connect it. I'll go to workspaces. These are all your workspaces. I'll go to Ganesh workspace. Upload, browse. I saved in the batches folder 7 a.m. and I will select monthly report, no RLS web view. This one, not this one, this one. Monthly report web view, no RLS. First monthly report I uploaded. I will expand this. Sorry, I will zoom it more. Monthly report uploaded. Second, upload, browse, yearly report. This is yearly report. Today I created, upload it. Now go to the reports. You want to see the latest reports, just click refresh. So this is one report. Yearly report, I click refresh. So yearly report, monthly report. Yearly report 2 parts, report and data set. Monthly report 2 parts, report and data set. I want to verify cross report drill through. Click yearly report, mobile view RLS. So yearly report visible. So customer can browse it. He can see respective data. If he wants to see the bookmarks, he can go to here. This is bookmarks area. Predefined bookmarks, he can see. Show more bookmarks. 18 bookmark. 19 bookmark. So this is the area. If customer want to close bookmark. You want to go back to the original state. This is original state, how I was published. This is reset. This reset will take you to the original state like this. Now from here, monthly report, I want to go 17 data in the table, right click, it will show you. Right click, drill through, monthly report. Which monthly report? The first one or last one, I believe. Click on it. It's going to the monthly report, 17 data only showing me everywhere. 17 data, this is also 17. You can go back based on this. I forgot to explain this back button. Actually, when you take drill through here, you will get the back button. The drill through field, when you take, you will get the back button. We are supposed to take here to move back to yearly report. We are supposed to take here to move back to yearly report, but I forgot. I will explain the next session. Right now, you go normally like this. Yearly report. This is yearly report. You want 19 data, just right click, 19 drill through, yearly report. Sorry, monthly report. So yearly report to monthly report, you're coming here, 19 data. This is the way we will test first in our workspace before sharing to customers. So Ganesh, the reports uploaded, reports available. What next? Your user should access. This is your development environment, reports here, but your user should access. And your user should access in their interested way, either mobile, tab, or web. Then how do you make them view these two reports? Individually, you cannot share this and this. You can share, but individual reports cannot communicate. Both at a time, you need to share to customers so that they will see at a time the cross report action. How do you share to customers so that they will see the cross report action and all the reports in web and mobile, both the ways, or web, mobile, and tab, all the ways? Then we need to create app. I already created app, so it's asking me for update app. As I already created app, it is asking me for update app. So, but simply app is required. We need to place these reports in the app and share. Then the user will browse through browser. User will browse to mobile or tab. So that part I will tell you practically tomorrow session. But you complete yearly, monthly report, cross report validation in your development environment level. And if you have any questions, you know my mobile number. Kindly call me and get it cleared. And the input files, the images, everything in your drive folder. Kindly go to the folder, download it, and practice it. If you don't find it, ping me in my WhatsApp. I will help you on that. Thank you, guys. See you tomorrow with a continuation of this. That is app creation and user browsing in the web mobile tab, which means customer experience. I will tell you. Today, as a developer, you prepared reports. Tomorrow, you're sharing to customer, then customer or consumer experience we're going to feel. Thank you. I'm stopping it.